Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correlistic people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, there is fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. Finally, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor responded to Barrister Ozekhome and Ifeanyi. Some people will tell me, oh, Progress the analyst, what do you mean by that? Blah, blah, blah. See, the truth is bitter, but we got to say it. When I was talking about the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and how the DSS grant the doctors access to treat Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or to check him, and these doctors, they are people that are so close to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is aware of them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu knows something about them. So they are not strangers. Neither are they sponsored by the DSS. And the message that was pushed out to the public saying that Barrister Aloy Ejimakor is never aware of anything about the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is only Ozekhome and Barrister Ifeanyi that are aware. I say, shoo, for real? Okay, let us still be doing our findings. See, today, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor just hit the nail. In fact, he said, when you block a sick detainee from proper medical care of his own choice, and at the same time, you refuse to free him despite court orders, you are endangering such person's life. It was done to Mandela. He survived. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will survive. By the way, DSS does not conduct surgery. Hey, this one is one shot that he released, because the message that they are pushing out there, that DSS are the one that want to conduct the surgery for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, DSS is this, DSS is that. They've been blasting DSS for the past 3 days when this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu health condition, or how they want to attend to him, break the internet. They were saying that, oh, how can DSS undergo surgery for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? It's a risk, is that, is this, when they are still seeing the handwriting on the wall that everything is being programmed by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Even Nigerian media, they refer to Barrister Aloy Ejimakor as the last man standing towards the head of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So I see no reason why someone will say that Barrister Aloy Ejimakor is not aware, or is not the one that filed the memo. This has been one particular aspect that he has been dealing with since the extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this particular task, according to Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, that is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that gave him the go-ahead to be doing this. That this particular aspect is the area that he has been crying and praying God for, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu health condition is in danger, is not fit at all, that the DSS should grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to a medical personnel. And what happened? The prayer was answered. But believe me, Barrister Ozekhome and Barrister Ifeanyi, together with the DOS, they said never, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can never be attended to, that anything that did not pass through Barrister Ozekhome or Barrister Ifeanyi will not be taken serious. That the only lawyer they know attending to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is Barrister Ifeanyi and Barrister Ozekhome. So now tell me, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu afterward was so disappointed that the people that he put his trust on, they are the ones that said, no, these doctors will never attend to you because we are not aware. Now the question is, where is Barrister Ozekhome when Barrister Aloy Ejimakor is filing this to the DSS or to the court? Are they not saying that they are not aware about the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? These are questions that Biafrans are asking, and we bringing it out for them to know that this is what the people are saying. And again, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, if you look at the stream very well, you will see that there are some documents. These are Mazi Nnamdi Kanu health conditions, a report from Kenya and the USA. Now, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor move further to say that for the record, all of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's medical report currently in use in his case were secured by me. You can hear that all the medical report they are bringing to court, they are secured by Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Now tell me, why can't he go ahead attending to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through the doctor? Now, the first medical report from DSS was given to me by DSS at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's instruction. That is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's medical report that are with DSS. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instructed DSS to give them to Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Why did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not say that, okay, they should give the medical report to only Barrister Mike Ozekhome or Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor? But he said Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Are you not saying that Barrister Aloy Ejimakor is lying? Now let's continue. He said, and the ones from USA. You know, I told you before that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu medical report from USA, Kenya, and Nigeria, they are all with Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Now let's continue. And the ones from USA and Kenya, and he moved further to say that, and Nigeria even addressed me by name. It's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that assigned this task to me. That is what I said before. You can see the document. It said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said this particular aspect, this is where I want you to handle. Talk about my health, fight about my health. While Mike Ozekhome and Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor have their own task also that is given to them. So I see no reason why they are saying, oh, we are the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer. Without Mike Ozekhome, nothing will happen. Without Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, nothing will happen. And now, believe me, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is so disappointed, according to the report from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. So now, what do you think? Don't you think that the DOS should work hand in hand with Barrister Aloy Ejimakor? The earlier, the better, because delay is dangerous. Thank you so much everyone for listening. I said let me bring this to you so you know the latest update from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Trust me, turn on your notification so that whenever I drop any latest updates, you will be the first to notify. Thank you so much. Share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, bringing it to you live and direct. Thank you and bye bye.